Kamigile Gulf Promoters Society kalawan chakmat ban pentip ha ka beidei bat kicing pun kre ka jongka ban pelong ya ka jing kop ila kai Gulf kablatip ka kum ka IGU Ladies and Junior Girls Gulf Championships ka ban long hajaka ila Gulf dlanam jongjala golfling Hakane ki jingi kop kinong isim benta kindai ki bakhat ar hadu khat news nem karta. President ke Meghalaya Gulf Promoters Society Gaurav Bajaj, Secretary ba Michael Heck, Organizing Secretary Anil Pargil, Director of Shillong Club Suresh Singh, ya Kublai ya Sarkar Jala Kantop ya Transports, Pat Kumju ya Art and Culture, ki ban nyerap ha ban Kershan ban pelong ya kane ki jingi kom. Nalor kata kila Kublai ru ya James P.K. Sangma, Menteri Jongka Sarkar Jala, ubala pinyo ya song pisa ka basipau lak tingka, siya ke Meghalaya Gulf Promoters Society, Knang makanla bakan pelong ya gani kicing ko.
Elegance Club and RCGC. It's been wonderful being here at Shillong. The organization for the golf tournament has been amazing. Right from the government of Meghalaya welcoming us at the checkpost when we entered. And at the club the facilities have been brilliant, pristine facilities, and it's a great encouragement for the junior girls. They are playing the national tour event and great honor for them to be here. And these are the future stars who can represent India in Olympics in golf. And we've had a very pleasant stay and look forward to a visit again over here. You start off at a young age of 7 or 8 or even 10 or 11, you pick up the sport. It's a very beautiful sport. It teaches you life skills because you're competing mainly against yourself, so the better you play, the better you get. And it teaches you a lot of self-control, thinking of your mind, because it's more of a mind plus technique game. So it's a very good sport for children to pick it up. They'll spend 5-6 hours constructive on a golf course rather than being on a gadget or on YouTube, internet or mobile all the time. And so it's a gadget-free sport. So you're out in the open, in the nature. It's the best sport one can take up. It's always been that golf was always taken as to be a very expensive sport, and for people not from humble backgrounds and other things not to take it up. But now we are seeing there's a change. People are coming from all walks of life, from even rural areas. Our champions, Shubham Jaglan is example in the boys side, is coming from very humble background and growing stature in the sport. So the government is also helping. The cost equipments are also and if you have the talent, you will get some people to sponsor, and we are seeing a lot of these kind of children coming up. And there are a lot of foundations which are picking up these children who are talented but from humble backgrounds to carry on pursuing the sport. So there has been a lot of change in the last couple of years, where a lot of encouragement is being given to children from all walks of life and background. And I believe now the Shillong Golfers Promotion Society MPGS is actually restarting the academy. Because of pandemic, I think it had stopped. They are in touch with some people in this academy, Pro Touch and other academies in Kolkata, and they are setting it up again, I believe. That's what Mr. Gaurav Bajaj has mentioned to me. It will be a great sport here because children in the northeast and Meghalaya, everywhere, they are so talented and they are very athletic built, compared to other parts of the country. So if they can take up the sport and they have the talent, I'm sure they can be promoted to take it at the national and Olympics level as well. See, this is such a beautiful facility. I mean, very hard to get in this surrounding. We've visited golf courses all over India, taking our children. This is such a scenic and beautiful place, and it is like a treasure or heritage which you all have here. So you all must take care of it, not later around. Obviously, this being in the middle of the entire public space, so there are people who keep walking in and out. That's fine as long as they do not spoil the nature. And as it is, one has to be environment friendly and not throw about garbage, plastics, other things at all. So should keep your golf course clean and take it as your own property, and look after it.
My kids have been playing since long, and I'm also a golfer. It's beautiful. First time we have come here to Shillong Golf Course. it's beautiful with the kind of limited members they have. Of course, it's expensive, and if it's public school, if a proper coaching is done, a lot of talent can come out from here. And golf is one such thing that, until unless you don't play, you will not come to know whether, a kid has got talent or no. With such a beautiful area and beautiful setup, I think tourism also in golf can be a big thing for Meghalaya state. With tournaments happening, with Gaurav keeping tournaments, taking the pains to, organize everything right from the airport. It's beautiful. And I feel, yes, if coaching can be done, a lot of students can be from the school, you can start coaching, talk to the school that, okay, we will, send, let us see if we can spot a talent, and that way the tourism and golf can really come up in Mizoram. Indian Golfing Union, they do a lot for spotting talent. They keep regularly training camps, they keep regularly tournaments happening. Tournaments can be played by anyone, the kids, but basically the coaching has to be there. The kids have to at least play for a year to get on the tournament level. And to spot a talent, again, you have to keep on playing. So basically, if the state government puts some focus on golfing activity, does some subsidy, okay, we will sponsor this coaching camp for, let's say, 1 month, let the kids come, the school kids come, let them enjoy, let them see what happens. That is the way it can pick up.
Ini la pelong ini lai benta. Tegi pelong ini ke tournament juga IGU ni kwa banai musim. Ini kena jungi belengi yang ni golfer kisendang ni bun ba. Main lagi ladies ki kentai kena ni dantang po kasan kandungut apa ki coaching apa ka GPS. Jadi tak ada ni long ki jumara ini ki IGU ban pel lekai ke tournament sini siapa. Kari bangin ai musim ini ki kena belang ni. Mara haju ke poru ba ngai ko play ka sports departments but gym sangma belong minister jongka health department belong patron jongka ni ka tournament jongka ni ka tournament IGU bla irap ingi bla ajing irap ya ka MGPS jungi spolak tengka bla ila ajing irap ingi spolak tengka ban le ka tournament berpaji le ka tournament upor kumrong basnang ber kumui golfer jongka ni ngi kwa be baka kani ka golfing kolong ka bakhut ke ibaro teman kani ka jung songkai penpat bilor penpat madan penpat bilor penpat pemadan long ka pau jung sosi kan long at least long ma kibun kibri ba kiwan kai kiwan nyalam kai ki khun ki ti songkai madan ibaro long ta kan kimde gin bakin wan kile sopala ra gidan kono long hakir dustbin ngila bu man ka chaka kim bret ki jabo japan kimde gin pelong setar kimde gin pelong dustbin ni golfing kan ne ka jing itnat ka mom ka madan kan ne ka jing itnat berkawir list kimi kepala ki kamdan ke jingkang te kimi ki pa ki nyalam ki kun kitine kinwan kin shongkai ki nyalam hamadan kamdan kata ke jingkang beri temaka longpat kimdi ban yebret ke plastik jabo jaban satar seni chete
IGU, this tournament is the All India Ladies and Junior Girls Championship. It is a part of the IGU circuit where all the top Indian girls and ladies play the tournament for points. So based on these points, they have their merit list, and some of these girls who have come, they'll be representing India in the tournaments abroad. So it's a national event, and we are fortunate and we are thankful to the Indian Golf Union to sanction this event to our golf course. It's a big, it'll promote the game to quite an extent in our state. And I represent the Meghalaya Golf Promoters Society. We have been conducting this tournament and we've done a lot of hard work in this event. We're also thankful to the government of Meghalaya for providing us all required assistance, whatever was needed. Right from the time the players landed in Guwahati airport, there was a team to welcome them and bring them to Meghalaya. So a lot of preparations have been put in, and we are also hosting the IGU Amateur Feeder Tour on the 30th and 31st of October, followed by the National Junior Boys event in November. So these three events are very prestigious for the state, and we are honoured to host this in Shillong.
In the older days, the golf link area was less populated. Now over the last 15-20 years, more houses have come up. There are less open spaces, so the public is all using this as their personal playground, football ground, which is very unfortunate. The director of golf from our Shillong Golf Club, then Mr. Suresh, who's director for many decades there, they have all been very helpful in helping me to take care of the course on their behalf, and financially they have been helping us a lot. Only our little request would be for the public, please come to the golf link, but do not litter the place. Please do not play football. How would it look if we went to play golf in a football ground or a cricket ground? So please visit it, but please do not damage it and do not litter it. That's a small request to you back.